guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Dia and I share tips around beauty, lifestyle, and living your best life without breaking your banks. Now, I know most of us love deals and sales. Who doesn't want to save money on beauty and lifestyle? But sometimes in name of budget friendly, we end up spending more in a longer run, either in terms of money, skin, or damage. So in today's video, I'm breaking down 5 mistakes that seems harmless but can secretly drain your wallets. Stay till the end because I'll be sharing smarter alternatives. So let's get started without wasting time. Number one, buying cheap dupes. I'm not saying dupes are bad, some are amazing, but without checking the ingredients, you may end up having acne, rashes, dryness, or whatnot. So the best alternative for this, you can always check the ingredients before buying and always check the reviews over YouTube or Reddit. Number two, skipping sunscreen to save money. I get it, some sunscreens are expensive, and we often think I'm not going out today. But not using a sunscreen even indoor can lead to premature aging, pigmentation, sunspots, and especially when you are using a retinol or vitamin C. Guess what? Fixing the hyperpigmentation can cause you much more than applying a sunscreen every day. So if you're looking for affordable options for sunscreen, I'll minimalistic SPF 50, fixed derma shadow, aqualogica sunscreen, non-greasy under 400. Just apply 2 fingers and your skin will thank you later. Number 3, doing DIY remedies without patch test. DIYs are fun. I too love good turmeric mask moment. But the mistake directly applying the kitchen ingredients without having and I have seen so many people applying lemon juice, toothpaste, baking soda for pimples. Sounds familiar, right? But believe me or not, these can seriously mess up with your skin barrier. So what's the better approach? Stick to simple DIY like curd plus honey for hydration, aloe vera for soothing. But before using any acidic product from your kitchen, please do a patch test on your jawline 24 hours prior. And remember, natural doesn't mean safe for your skin. Number 4, buying trendy products. And do let me know in comments how many of you have added the product that you have seen viral on Reels and added to your cart. Whether it's a viral blush, face wash, toner, or whatnot. You buy it, you use it twice, and then end up regretting. That's money down the drain. So, smart alternative, first know your skin type, dry, combination, oily, or sensitive, and then you can build a minimal routine. Number 5, and the most important, not washing your makeup brushes after use. Most underrated thing, but it's very essential. And I believe most of us invest a good amount on skincare and makeup, but later using dirty brushes can lead to breakouts and acne. A simple fix to this, you can clean your makeup brushes once a week using a mild cleanser or a baby shampoo. If you are using a beauty blender too, make sure that you are washing them once a week using a mild cleanser or a baby shampoo. Keep a note that a good tool can give you a perfect makeup and also a healthier skin. For the 5 mistakes that seems budget friendly but can give you expensive cost in a longer term, either in the terms of time, skin, money, and whatnot. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video and also do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Goodbye. See you in the next video.